Okay na? Wait lang. Happy birthday, Janelle! Happy birthday! Tanda mo na. Magkasing edad na kayo ni Abby. Anyway, ang alam ko lang talaga sa lahat na magkaibigan kami ni Janelle ay mas matanda siya sa akin. Mas gurang siya sa akin. But, that means that you're also mature. Na, you're also mature. And I am immature. So, be matured and always stay good and be healthy and have a good love life and
Be
have a good
healthy.
life. Have a good life and happy birthday.
Okay.
My birthday message! Happy
Birthday message.
Happy birthday message kay Janelle. Mag-happy birthday ka.
Happy birthday ka dyan. Birthday.
Oh, happy birthday ka kay Janelle.
Hoy, taray.
I-post mo yung buo. Post mo yung buo.
Happy birthday. Uy, Abby. Birthday ka.